Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Last video we see exercise 8.4. Today we are going to see exercise 8.5, that is multiple choice question. So question number 1, which of the following is not a measure of dispersion? Option 1, range. Option 2, standard deviation. Option 3, arithmetic mean, and option 4 is variance. So arithmetic mean is not a measure of dispersion because it is a measure of central tendency. So the correct answer is option 3, arithmetic mean. Question number 2, the range of the data 8, 8, 8 etc. up to 8 is option 1, 0, option 2, 1, option 3, 8, option 4, 3. We know range is equal to largest value minus smallest value, that is L minus S, which is equal to 8 minus 8. The range is 0. So the correct answer is option 1, 0. Next question number 3. The sum of all deviations of the data from its mean is option 1, always positive, option 2, always negative, option 3, 0, and option 4 is non-zero integer. Sum of all deviations of the data from the mean is equal to 0. That is, summation x minus x bar is equal to 0. So, the correct answer is option 3, 0. Question number 4. The mean of 100 observations is 40 and their standard deviation is 3. The sum of squares of all the deviation is 40,000, 1,60,900 and 1,60,000, and last option 4 is 30,000. So solution, here n is equal to 100 observation and x bar is equal to summation x by n, which is equal to 40, and sigma, that is standard deviation, is equal to 3. So sigma square is equal to summation x square by n minus summation x by n the whole square. So sigma square is 3 square, which is nothing but 9. So 9 is equal to summation x square by 100 minus 40 the whole square, which is implies summation x square by 100 is equal to 1600 plus 9. So which is equal to 1609. So summation x square is equal to 1,60,900. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 1,60,900. Question number 5. Variance of first 20 natural number is option 1, 32.25, option 2, 44.25, option 3, 33.25, and option 4, 30. So variance of first 20 natural number, that is sigma square, is equal to n square minus 1 by 12, which is equal to 20 square minus 1 by 12. So 20 square is 400, 400 minus 1 by 12, which is equal to 399 by 12, which is nothing but 33.25. So the correct option is option 3. The answer is 33.25. Question number 6. The standard deviation of a data is 3. If each value is multiplied by 5, then the new variance is option 1, 3, option 2, 15, option 3, 5, and option 4 is 225. So standard deviation sigma is equal to 3. If each value is multiplied by 5, then the new SD, that is standard deviation, is multiplied by 5. So new standard deviation sigma is equal to 3 into 5 is 15. So the correct answer is, then you have to find the variance. So variance sigma square is equal to 15 square, which is equal to 225. So the correct answer is option 4, 225. Question number 7. If the standard deviation of x, y, z is p, then the standard deviation of 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5 is option 1, 3p plus 5, option 2, 3p, option 3, p plus 5, option 4, 9p plus 15. So, the standard deviation of a distribution remains unchanged when each value is added or subtracted by the same quantity. If each value of a collection of data is multiplied or divided by a non-zero constant k, then the standard deviation of the new data is obtained by multiplying or dividing the standard deviation by the same quantity k. So we can understand from this, if you add or subtract any data, then it won't change the standard deviation value. But if you multiplied or divide the constant in the given data, then the standard deviation also multiplied or divided by the same constant k. So therefore standard deviation of 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5 is equal to 3p. So the correct option is 2 and the answer is 3p. Question number 8. If the mean and coefficient of variation of a data are 4 and 87.5%, then the standard deviation is option 1, 3.5, option 2, 3, option 3, 4.5, option 4, 2.5. So x bar is equal to 4. CV, coefficient of variation, is equal to 87.5. You have to find the standard deviation. So we know the formula for finding coefficient of variation, that is CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. So which is implies 87.5 is equal to sigma by 4 into 100. Which is implies 87.5 into 4 by 100, which is equal to 350 by 100 is equal to 3.5. So the correct answer is 3.5 and the option is 1. Question number 9. Which of the following is incorrect? Option 1. P of A, that is probability of A, is greater than 1. Option 2. 0 less than P of A is less than 1. Option 3. P of MT is equal to 0. Option 4. P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1. So P of A is greater than 1 is incorrect, since 0 is less than or equal to P of A is less than or equal to 1. So the correct answer is P of A is greater than 1. Question number 10. The probability of a red marble selected at random from a jar containing P red, Q blue and R green marbles is option 1, Q by P plus Q plus R, option 2, P by P plus Q plus R, option 3, P plus Q by P plus Q plus R, option 4, P plus R by P plus Q plus R. So number of red is equal to P and number of blue is equal to Q. Number of green is equal to R. Then N of S is equal to P plus Q plus R. So N of S is nothing but sample space. So required probability P of A is equal to N of red divided by N of S, which is equal to P by P plus Q plus R. So the correct answer is option 2, P divided by P plus Q plus R. Question number 11. A page is selected at random from a book. The probability that the digit at units place of the page number chosen is less than 7 is option 1 3 by 10, option 2 7 by 10, option 3 3 by 9 and option 4 is 7 by 9. So units place digits. S is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 9. So if we take 10 means it has both unit digit as well as tens digit. So we are taking up to 0 to 9. So n of s is equal to 10. Then unit place digit less than 7. So a is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 6. So n of a is equal to 7. So probability P of a is equal to n of a by n of s, which is equal to 7 by 10. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 7 by 10. Question number 12. The probability of getting a job for a person is x by 3. If the probability of not getting the job is 2 by 3, then the value of x is option 1 2, option 2 1, option 3 3 and option 4 is 1.5. So P of A is equal to x by 3 and P of A bar is equal to 2 by 3. So P of A plus P of A bar is equal to 1, we know, that is the formula. So x by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So the denominator is same, so you can add the numerator. So x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 because x plus 2 is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 minus 2, it gives x is equal to 1. So the correct option is option 2. The answer is 1. Question number 13. Kamalan went to play a lucky draw contest. 135 tickets of the lucky draw were sold. If the probability of Kamalam winning is 1 by 9, then the number of tickets bought by Kamalam is option 1 5, option 2 10, option 3 15 and option 4 is 20. So n of s is equal to 135. P of a is equal to 1 by 9. So let n of a is equal to x. So P of a is equal to n of a by n of s. P of a is 1 by 9, which is equal to x by 135. So x is equal to 135 by 9, which is equal to 15. So the correct option is option 3. The answer is 15. Question number 14. If a letter is chosen at random from the English alphabets A, B, C, etc. up to Z, then the probability that the letter chosen precedes X is option 1 12 by 13, option 2 1 by 13, option 3 23 by 26, option 4 3 by 26. So S is equal to A, B, C, etc. up to Z. We know number of alphabets in English is 26. So N of S is equal to 26. Then A is equal to alphabet before X. So A, B, C, etc. up to W. So X க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க alphabet ஓட we just stopped. So here N of A is equal to 23. So P of A is equal to N of A by N of S, which is equal to 23 by 26. So the correct option is option 3. The answer is 23 by 26. Question number 15. Last question of the 1 marks exercise. A purse contains 10 notes of rupees 2000, 15 notes of rupees 500 and 25 notes of rupees 200. One note is drawn at random. What is the probability that the note is either a rupees 500 note or rupees 200 note? Option 1, 1 by 5. Option 2, 3 by 10. Option 3, 2 by 3. And option 4 is 4 by 5. So rupees 2000 note, that is n of a is equal to 10. N of a is nothing but number of notes. Then rupees 500 note, that is n of b is equal to 15. And rupees 200 note, n of c is equal to 25. So n of s is equal to 10 plus 15 plus 25, which is equal to 50. So P of B union C, which is equal to P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C, which is equal to 15 by 50 plus 25 by 50 minus 0, because we have to find the probability that the note is either a 500 note or 200 note. So we have to find P of B union C. So which is equal to 40 by 50, which is nothing but 4 by 5. So the correct option is 4. The answer is 4 by 5. So that's all students. Up to this exercise 8.5 is over. So next video we are going to see unit exercise 8. So thank you students. Have a nice day.